Welcome back to the channel everyone, and to Singapore and to another vlog. Just done having our lunch and I'm feeling even more sleepy now. And you have not slept the entire night. और जब आप खाते हो तो आपका क्या हाल होता है? I just want my bed right now, ना निखिल?
Same here.
So अभी after the lunch we're come to have dessert. I don't know what is going to happen after eating dessert. For sure I and Nikhil we both love desserts, but then बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है मुझे फ़िलहाल. But anyways I want to eat the dessert because she's telling us that dessert here is very nice. So try करते हैं. What is inside? Wow, this is interesting.
This is your chocolate green tea symphony.
Yes.
With green tea ice cream, you have pistachio crumble, flower shower. This is strawberry vinegar ice cream. You have raspberry dish.
Dessert खाकर हो गया है. उसके बाजू में there is a national museum. So we're just going in to see that. Nikhil is so dead. Art museum. We're just again in the car going for a whiskey tour. उसके बाद में थोड़ा शायद shopping करेंगे. उसके बाद में we'll go for dinner and just sleep. Trust me, today I really very sleepy. I'm fighting with my eyes to keep them open.
Tell me about it.
We just got done with the whiskey tour and it was very interesting. काफ़ी interesting था. बहुत सारा collection देखने को मिला. Companies that I've never heard of and companies that have limited editions. तो इन दोनों जगहों पे there were bottles of whiskey that are like just 10 in the whole world or like just for 50 years and stuff. So which is very interesting. If you're a whiskey lover or if you want to know more information about whiskey, you should definitely visit these places. The right hand side, it's more about the knowledge. Grand Whiskey Collection is more about knowledge, and the other side, right opposite of it, is more about, you know, having fun, trying out new different types of whiskey and just chilling. So it's on you. We have 1 hour of time to do some shopping. तो अभी हम इस मॉल में घूम रहे हैं. 8 फ्लोर्स का बड़ा मॉल है एंड बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैं इसमें. एंड वन इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग टू नो इज दैट ऑन द 8th फ्लोर till the 3rd floor is like really expensive top end brands, and when you come below 3rd floor the prices keep dropping and you'll find like all the normal brands which are like affordable. शाम के 6 बज रहे हैं एंड फाइनली आवर डे हैज़ कम टू एन एंड. हमने सब कुछ बहुत जल्दी में किया. इनफैक्ट शॉपिंग नहीं किया आज बिकॉज हमारे पास बहुत सारे दिन है आगे. सो वी विल एक्सप्लोर मोर अदर मॉल्स एंड स्टफ. और हमने करेंसी भी एक्सचेंज नहीं किया था. निखिल इज तो सो एग्जॉस्टेड दैट ही इज स्लीपिंग लिटरली. ओ निखिल, होटल पहुंचने वाले अभी.
तो पहुंचे नहीं ना, तो अभी क्यों उठाया?
सही, बिकॉज तू भी मुझे उठाता है तेरे व्लॉग के लिए. It's funny, sorry. Now we'll go back to the hotel and हम लोग डिनर के लिए बाहर जाने वाले थे but we're not going now. We've like taken pizza का take away. वो खाएंगे रूम में अच्छे से and just go to sleep. I want to sleep for 10 hours properly अच्छे से. What about you, Nikhil? Do you want to sleep for 10 hours?
I want to sleep 10 long.
Or you'll work for 10 hours more?
नहीं, I'll sleep. I'll get up tomorrow. I'll edit.
It's very funny when Nikhil is like this, because otherwise he's all the time jumping around and he's so energetic. This is one very interesting technology. ये एक रोबोट है जो उसमें हम लोग को रूम में सिर्फ 0 डायल करना है और ये जो हम लोग को चेयर लेके आती है. Good morning guys, it's day 2 in Singapore. हम आए हैं रिजॉर्ट वर्ल्ड सेंटोसा आइलैंड में. यहाँ पे पीछे कैसीनो भी है in which the entry for tourists is free and for the localites it's $100. That's kind of interesting because normally दूसरे जगहों पे always the locals का entry free होता है और tourist को पैसा देना होता है, पर यहाँ पे सीन कुछ अलग ही है. पर it's interesting and I'm so happy to come to Sentosa Island. So every night Universal Studio turns into the Halloween horror nights. The ticket for this is $30 and it's really scary, so if you like horror, this is something you should definitely come and do in Universal Studios Sentosa Island. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं ट्रिक आई म्यूजियम और इसके अंदर there are like lots of things where you can take pictures and everything is 3D, so I don't know what that is going to be exactly. अंदर जाके देखते हैं. When you enter the Trick Eye Museum, they ask you to download the Trick Eye Singapore app. बिल्कुल नॉर्मल कैमरा की तरह फंक्शन करता है, but when you put it on these walls, you get like 3D effects, animation effects, which is very very interesting. तो मैंने अभी अपने फ़ोन पे डाउनलोड कर लिया है. It downloads like within a minute. We take interesting photos यहाँ पे. निखिल बता ऐप बता खोल के.
Trick Eye Singapore.
Trick Eye.
Trick Eye. ये 3D ऑन करने ऑफ करने का, तो अभी अपन ऑन करके इधर जाते हैं. ये ऐसा. Can see.
So you see like this, there's nothing, but when you see it here,
And see it's 3D.
so ये वाले दीवार पे जो ऐसा इन्वर्स है, इस पे ऐसे पोज करना चाहिए, और ये वाले जो पोज है you should try it on this wall. And all these are flat walls, so you're gonna use the app everywhere and get really crazy 3D effects. So this turns into the effect I just showed you. Really interesting. For some reason the Trick Eye Museum turns you into a kid. So इतना मज़ा आ रहा है सारे effects try करने के बाद. So downloading the app is a must when you get in here, because if you don't have the app you won't have fun. And all the effects are really crazy. You can get very interesting videos and photos of yourself, and it's just so interesting. So definitely get your tickets to this Trick Eye Museum and have lots of fun.
Further to back all the way to the corner. Yeah, and then you run over to the corner.
Oh my god, from huge to tiny in a second. I feel so fresh and so happy right now. Like this was a very very good thing to do. So once you're here, definitely go to the Trick Eye Museum. You're going to enjoy it. Trust me, you're going to enjoy it. I always wanted a picture with this globe with Universal Studios written on it. It looks so beautiful and real too. So the Siloso beach right over there is looking very very beautiful. लेकिन अभी हमारा AJ Hackett में already appointment है for some activities. So we'll go there first and then we'll come and have a look at the beach. But the beach looks very beautiful. Yes. loves a lot of adventure and adrenaline rush, this is surely gonna give you all the feels. It can go up to 100 km/h. Yeah, so that's really fast and it's gonna be so much fun. So the giant swing normally costs about $79 Singapore dollars per person, but right now they are giving it at $59 Singapore dollars per person. But if you're a group of 3, like a family, all of you want to go together, it's 120 for all 3 of you, which is very good, and you're saving a lot of money, and together you can make more memories and scream out loud and have lots of fun. This whole thing is the Siloco beach. You can come and chill. Like, I'll show you. A lot of people over there are swimming in the water and are chilling, so you can come and chill.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, damn. I wanted to go on the giant swing, but I didn't go because Nikhil decided to not give me company.
अकेले जा सकती तू?
2 जन के साथ ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है।
अच्छा लगता है।
दिलासा लगता है कि दोनों साथ में गिर रहे हैं।
झूम बराबर झूम में मेरा सर पे दुखता है।
So it just has 4 proper. It has a fall once, I think, and then it goes slow.
I don't mind doing, but then वो करके मजा भी आता है बाद में.
Hi, Nikhil has a problem. He actually, his head starts spinning the entire day.
Yeah. And then I can't focus on any other thing.
Maybe next time. When I come with my family.
My liking of adventure is, something else.
You'll have one more option in Sentosa Islands. This is the mega adventures. You can do mega bounce, mega wall, mega zip, mega climb, mega jump. Basically, बहुत सारे option हैं यहाँ पे. Like, हर किसी के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है. If you like to shop, you can shop. If you like eating, you can eat. If you like doing adventurous stuff, you can do adventurous stuff. So I think that Singapore has everything for everyone. So no matter whatever your passion is, Singapore has something for you, which is so good.
We're going here.
Fresh coconut water. So this is called laksa.
Peranakan dish, and it's a coconut broth curry like.
Yeah.
So this is tofu.
Okay.
Fried tofu, and then there's eggs, and then there's dried shrimps, and normally they put cockles, but I think
Okay.
this time we don't have cockles.
Time to go for a Segway tour now. 45 minutes का होने वाला है. I don't know how to ride a Segway, and I'm a little nervous, and Nikhil is very excited because he loves the Segway and all of that. So वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा excited है, पर मैं थोड़ी nervous हूँ. But I'll see, they'll train us, so hopefully I can control the Segway too.
And his feet together. Yeah, it's gonna shake. Yeah, मेरे साथ भी same हुआ था. That's the way. आ गया.
It's actually scary.
Right कर handle. अभी आ गया. Yes, that's the way to do it. See? You're doing better than me, I guess. Wow! You did good.
Circle, I'm trying like.
Try. Come on.
So this is my Segway, and this guy is gonna show us around. 30-minute tour, right? At least the practice session went quite well for me. मुझे लगा मुझे बहुत डर लगेगा, but I wasn't scared. I was like, let me show some
बड़ा अच्छा
guts.
किया.
So we're riding the Segway from so long, and it's quite comfortable. I am having lots of fun doing this. बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है. मुझे लगता है कि मुझे लगा था कि बहुत tough होगा, but it's not tough. It's in fact quite a lot of fun, and I am vlogging with one hand, still taking care of this with one. So I am very, very proud of myself.
Vlogging. I am so proud of Shanice. So we both are vlogging on a Segway.
This is
But I'm
crazy
really proud of
fun.
Shanice, yeah, Shanice. But have you figured it out how you're going to keep your camera in the bag?
Yes, this is the Palawan beach and it's very beautiful as you can see. So हमने decide किया we stop here, take a break on the Segway tour and take some nice photos with that we'll take a stop here and click some nice photos with our Segway and the beautiful view behind. So Nikhil is going to take some nice photos of me now and then I'll take his. Thank you.
Where are you guys from?
इतना मज़ा आया, can't even tell you. Come to Sentosa, try the Segway. Don't be scared. It's easy. निखिल मुझे बोलता है कि स्कूटी चलाना easier है, but I felt like this was much easy and so much fun. Thank you, Nikhil.
अरे thank you यार Shanice.
After a 2-hour long break, we are back at the night tour here. This guy is taking us around. His name is YAP Yak, biggest hawkers market in Singapore. It's known for the cultural food made for the modern people. मैं सच बोल रही हूँ, जैसे ही हमने यहाँ पे एंटर किया इतना अच्छा स्मेल आ रहा है खाने का. My mouth is watering. हम लोग थोड़ा मार्केट घूमे एंड उसके बाद में वी केम डाउन टू सिट एंड ईट एंड वी आर एक्चुअली सिटिंग ऑन अ रोड. तो दिन में ये रोड प्रॉपर रोड मतलब इसमें गाड़ी चलते हैं और रात को यहाँ पे सब लोग ऐसे बैठ के खाना
और हम लोग यहाँ पर आने वाले थे जब ये रोड से प्रॉपर एक मार्केट में कन्वर्ट होता है, लेकिन हम लोग ट्रैफिक में फंस गए और हम लोग वो ट्रांजिशन ले नहीं पाए कि गाड़ियाँ चल रही हैं फिर रोक रहे हैं और 10 मिनट के अंदर पूरे यहाँ पर देखो, वहाँ पर दिखा जरा, ये पूरे 200-300 लोगों के लिए टेबल सेटअप हो जाते हैं. बट ठीक है.
Yeah, but it's so interesting. I was feeling so good to look at all these big sky-rise buildings and like actually enjoy your food. And the market smells very good.
Yeah.
Very good. But the smell of the food is amazing. So this thing is really yummy. It's made out of egg and sugar, so it's kind of sweet from inside. And अभी निखिल खोल के दिखाएगा. When you open it, there's like
बेटर है कि पीछे से खोलो.
liquid, and this is so yum. Right?
Very good.
When you look at it, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि क्या है इसके अंदर, but when you have it, it's too yum.
कसम से बोलता हूँ उसके चाय मिल जाती है अपनी इंडिया वाली. Not even coffee, चाय.
It's like eating a muffin, मावा cake with chai. We are done with seeing the Marina Bay Sand light show.
Laser light show. बड़ा अच्छा लगा ऊपर से देखने के बाद. और अभी श्योर कैमरा ने बिल्कुल भी जस्टिस नहीं किया होगा. रियल लाइफ में कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा.
हाँ, it was looking very beautiful in Singapore in general. बहुत ज़्यादा pretty लगता है रात को. I think we're just gonna go back to the hotel because we are very tired. पूरे दिन घूमे हम लोग. So now we're gonna go back to the hotel and sleep. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'm sure you must have liked it. I worked hard for this video, so if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell button so you're notified every time I put a video. And Nikhil scared me. And I will see you
That guy was driving
guys.
really fast.
I will see you guys
Come, Shani.
in the next video. Bye. So this place was like that before, like the picture there, and I can't believe it.